In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in OpenArt. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along the first time. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your project, bring your image into the editor, choose a background direction, and generate a clean, professional-looking result using OpenArt's tools. Start by heading to the OpenArt website in your browser. Once the page loads, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section labeled Media. This is your hub for all the images you'll be working with. Click Media to open your library so you can pick the photo you want to modify. When your media library appears, find the image you want to update and click it. This simply selects the file and brings up the options associated with that image. Taking a second to confirm you've picked the right one will save time later. With the image selected, choose Edit Image. This opens OpenArt's editor where all the background work happens. Think of this as your creative workspace. You'll make your edits here without altering the original in your library, which is handy if you want to retry different looks later. Inside the editor, you'll see an option labeled Image. Click this if you want to upload a background image to use as a reference or as the replacement backdrop. If you already have a specific scene in mind, like a clean studio white, a soft gradient, or a city skyline, uploading it here gives the model a strong visual cue. Higher resolution backgrounds typically blend more cleanly. Next, you'll type your prompt. You can keep it simple, like change the background, or be more descriptive to guide the result. Clear direction helps. Describe color, mood, and style, such as replace the background with a soft pastel gradient, or change to a bright, natural outdoor park. If you're working with people or products, mention keeping the subject sharp to maintain detail. Now, choose the model. Different models lean toward different styles. Some are more photorealistic, while others are more stylized. If you're aiming for a natural look, pick a model known for realism. If you want a creative, illustrated vibe, choose one that favors artistic results. If your first result isn't quite right, switching models can make a big difference. Finally, click Generate. OpenArt will process your request and render the updated image. Give it a moment to finish. Once the result appears, review how well the subject blends with the new background, and check edges and lighting for consistency. If needed, adjust your prompt or model and generate again for a refined outcome. That's it, your background is changed and ready to use.